Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Winnie's L1 wireless outdoor security camera. This also comes with a solar panel. If you use it with the panel and you live in a warm country, you should get 365 days battery from this. This was very kindly sent out to me. They did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither was I paid for this review. If you want to pick this up after watching this review, I will leave a link in the description box below. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, a like would be appreciated and please subscribe to watch more reviews. So at the bottom there, it's letting us know works with AI Dot. So that's the app you will need to download from Google Play or App Store. It has some information here. So 100% wire-free, as I mentioned before, it comes with the panel. So this has 2K resolution, two-way audio. It has 8 gig of local storage. You can subscribe to the cloud as well. Alarm alert, human detection, and it also has an adjustable mounting bracket. That's for the camera and for the panel. Some information there. So we have some QR codes there. Let's start, and then if you need some help. This is everything that was included inside the box. We get a camera mounting sticker, quick start guide. That's in different languages. Some screws and wall plugs for the camera. We get 2 screws, there are 2 holes there. I'll show you that in a bit. Type A to Type C charging cable for the camera. Another mounting sticker to mount this bracket that's going to attach to the panel. You can adjust this as well. This takes 3 screws, and they have provided the 3 screws and wall plugs as well. That's what the panel looks like. I think it has a 2-meter cable. I'm not 100% sure, but as I mentioned before, click the link in the description box below to know more. That's the Type C cable there. Some information at the back, if you're interested. Mounting thread there. That will mount onto that. Onto the actual camera. I like the size of this camera. So that's the on-off button there. At the back, it has the 2 mounting holes. So you could remove the plate, just twist it. It's even got an arrow there letting you know to unlock it, you just twist that. You'll hear a click. There's a little QR code there where my finger is. And there's a Type C charging port there as well. So if I just remove that. So it is recommended to fully charge your camera before you install it outside. Even if you are going to use the panel, still fully charge this. So the camera has a 5200 milliamp hour battery. As for network, it will only run on the 2.4 gigahertz network. Some branding there. Branding there. At the bottom we have a speaker because this does have 2-way audio. So at the front we have the lens there. You have a 130 degrees field of view, and of course it has a 2K resolution, microphone, light sensor. That's the camera indicator there, so it'll let you know when you turn it on, when it's off, if it's working. If it isn't working, the lights will change color. Then we have a PIR motion sensor here. Okay, let's set it up. So as I mentioned before, this does run on the AI Dot app.
Welcome. Please add the camera in the app.
Okay, so
Not connected to any Wi-Fi.
So I press add. L1. Yet the green light is flashing. I'll quickly put my Wi-Fi details in off camera. So I had to allow location because it wouldn't let me connect to Wi-Fi. If you are worried about using your location, once you have connected the camera, you could come back into settings and remove the location. You only need Wi-Fi to connect the camera up. Once you have connected the camera up, you could use your mobile data. The battery on the camera died, so I had to put my power bank on. And to put it on charge, you do need to remove the bracket because it won't fit in the cable. It wouldn't fit in. Well, this cable didn't anyway, the one I have connected to my power bank. So it's flashing green now. So it's generated a QR code. Now I'm going to scan the QR code.
Scanning successful.
Okay,
Trying to connect Wi-Fi.
I've heard. That was really fast.
Adding procedure successful.
Allow. So the camera is fully charged. I'm going to mount the camera now. Before I mount the camera, I just thought I'll quickly mention, when you are going to charge the camera, the cable provided has some markings on it. So you need to insert that all the way in, otherwise the camera will not charge. And then you get the charging information within the app. I thought we'll have a quick look at the app before I show you some daytime and nighttime footage. So here on the home screen, if I tap on the thumbnail, SD, that's standard definition, could put it in high definition, but that really depends on your internet or your mobile data. Battery percentage, we could pause it, speaker, them two arrows, if I push that, that zooms in, zoom out. One next to that, that will flip the screen around. At the bottom, we have some more options here, record. So the recording will get saved into your phone gallery and within the app. Snap, speaker, alarm. Storage, if I click on that. So these are the ones I have recorded and they are saved in my phone gallery and within the app as well. Album, again, that's the same thing. At the bottom here, event. So this is every time the motion has been triggered. Just play that. So if I just click on the top cog here, so you have some more information here. Night vision, if I click on that, I've left it on auto. Motion detection. So this is a good one, this. You could edit the zone as well. So yeah, press add, and then say if I leave that there, if I add again, if I leave that there, and then I'd press save, and then anything that happens within them square boxes, I will get a push notification. It's a good feature. You are able to set more than one, because on most cameras you could only set one area, but with this you could pick, I think it's 3. Then at the bottom here, the detection for person, pet. So do bear in mind, the more motion the camera picks up, the more battery it will use. Video settings, you could remove that watermark. So here we have storage settings. If I click on the cloud one, it's letting me know it's going to expire in October 2023 because I got 3 months free. Now, I did not actually activate that. Maybe I pushed something or it automatically did it, but I have 3 months anyway. And then at the bottom, we could delete it as well. So after 3 months, you will have to pay, but this camera does have internal storage as well, so you do have that option here. It's letting me know it's used 2.36 GB. Then it says format storage. So if I format it, everything will get erased. I don't know if it will carry on recording once it's reached its full capacity. I think it should do. That's how SD cards work, but I'm not sure about that. Notifications. So here you could select what you want to be notified for. At the moment, everything is selected. Help center, reboot, and delete. If I back out of that, it is quite a busy app, this. It's got some more options here. Community, this is a good feature, this. So if you're having any issues, rather than looking on YouTube or Google or stuff, you could actually ask a question within the app and then someone within the community should reply back to you, like you could see here. Then next to that, if I click on that, we have some more information. So message. The battery is low, please check. So the battery, obviously, I haven't connected the solar panel and the battery is getting used up really quickly because it's holidays and kids are playing in the backyard and stuff where I have it mounted. So the battery is going a lot quick. So it depends how much motion the camera picks up. As I mentioned before, if it picks up a lot of motion, your battery will go down really quickly. I think mine, the first charge, it only lasted me just over a week. If I just put that on HD. It does have decent image quality. I mean, it is 2K. Okay, I'll show you some daytime and nighttime footage now. Just one thing to mention, the quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced to what I'm seeing because, of course, YouTube do compress the file. Do let us know in the comment section below what you think of the image quality. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Here is some daytime and nighttime footage from the Winnie's L1.